And I know there's sharks out there.
Yeah, man, whole bunch of shark.
Yeah, so I would like to see if, can you guys get me a shark so I can get the teeth and make a necklace?
I simple. Hold on. Hold on, man.
Yeah?
A simple thing that. Hey, so one here.
32.
So you see?
Okay, I mean,
it.
yeah, what kind of shark is that?
Hold on. See him right there? It's kind of small over here.
Nothing about it. Hey, me girl a give me bun and the government know another nothing about it.
Him want come, I go run. Me know, sir.
Okay.
Don't fear that over boy, you know.
Really? This guy over here was coming.
Yeah.
He looks a bit scary.
Yeah. No, you're not scared of bad man, not Jamaican bad, but then fear that over.
Oh, all right.
Hold my guitar.
Yeah, okay.
Just look what I'm going.
All right. Let me be careful with this guy here. What just happened?
Look there.
Oh my God.
I work on them on your team, man.
But hear me and say now,
Yeah.
you gonna be like your last day today.
Listen, to be a Jamaican bad boy, you got to walk. You got to walk like a bad boy, right?
Okay.
You got to do something like this, you know what I mean? And do your head like this. Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah.